Chelsy Davy was once the woman who captivated Prince Harry's heart during the tumultuous early 2000s. Their relationship, marked by its intensity and frequent breakups, was a public spectacle, as the world watched Harry, the young prince, navigate his love life under the relentless gaze of the media. Chelsy, a Zimbabwean-born beauty, seemed to be the perfect match for Harry in many ways. Yet, the pressures of royal life, with its constant scrutiny and lack of privacy, ultimately drove a wedge between them. Chelsy, unwilling to endure a lifetime in the royal spotlight, made the difficult decision to end the relationship. However, the bond between them remained, transitioning into a friendship that lasted long after the romance had faded. But the story did not end there. The years following their breakup were not without tension. Chelsy reportedly felt the sting of betrayal as Harry's life moved forward, particularly after his marriage to Meghan Markle. According to insiders, Chelsy was deeply upset by what she perceived as Harry's negative portrayal of her in private conversations. The whispers suggested that Harry might have been involved in leaking damaging stories about her to the press, a claim that, if true, would be a devastating blow to Chelsy, who had always valued her privacy and dignity. The situation escalated dramatically when legal documents related to Meghan Markle's bullying claims against palace staff surfaced. Among these documents were Harry's alleged private comments about Chelsy, painting her as emotionally unstable and manipulative. For Chelsy, this was the final straw. Feeling that her reputation was being unfairly tarnished, she decided to take legal action. Chelsy filed a lawsuit against Harry for defamation, accusing him of spreading falsehoods to damage her reputation and alleging that he had intentionally portrayed her in a negative light both in private and in public forums. The legal battle took an even more public turn when Chelsy included in her lawsuit references to Harry's comments during the infamous 2021 Oprah Winfrey interview. During this interview, Harry had spoken about his past relationships and hinted at the royal family's dismissive attitude towards his former girlfriends, with implications that race may have played a part in their judgments. Chelsy, however, was quick to refute this claim, stating that her departure from Harry's life had nothing to do with race but was purely due to her unwillingness to live under the royal microscope. She argued that Harry's comments were misleading and had further contributed to the damage to her public image. As the lawsuit gained traction, the royal family found themselves caught in the crossfire. Already reeling from the fallout of Harry and Meghan's Oprah interview, the family was reportedly embarrassed and frustrated by the ongoing drama. The lawsuit, with its accusations of racism and defamation, was yet another blow to the royal brand, which has struggled to maintain its image in the face of numerous scandals. Buckingham Palace, maintaining its typical stance of silence on personal matters, refrained from making any official comments, but sources close to the family denied any allegations of racism, insisting that the royal family's decisions regarding Harry's relationships were based on other factors entirely. The court battle between Chelsy and Harry has not only strained their once amicable relationship, but has also raised serious questions about Harry's judgment and loyalty. The public, already divided in their opinions of Harry and Meghan, now watched with a mix of curiosity and skepticism as the case unfolded. Was Harry truly responsible for the negative stories about Chelsy, or was this just another chapter in the long and complicated saga of his life? And what would this mean for the future of the royal family, already battered by scandal and controversy? Chelsy Davy, who has maintained a dignified silence in the public sphere, is reportedly seeking financial compensation for the alleged damage to her reputation. However, more than money, this lawsuit seems to be about reclaiming her narrative and protecting her integrity in the face of what she sees as unjust and harmful portrayals by someone she once loved. As the legal proceedings continue, the tension between Harry and Chelsy, once the subject of romantic fairy tales, now threatens to unravel even more secrets and lies, leaving both the royal family and the public on edge, wondering just how deep the rift will go.